Yeah, Star Wars, them boys up to something. Abrams, man, the Force Awaken. No Liam Neeson, you know that dude was taken. Let's get up in it, man, we're shaking. I got that, I'ma do it off the dome, no. Frozen and cryogenically like Han Solo. Damn, Han, what's the outcome? And we gon' hit that hyperdrive right now in the Millennium Falcon. Yeah, I'ma do this like I need you in the back of the X-Wing like my dude R2-D2. I'm on, hey, and I get it hotter. The beat I never drop, but like Luke Skywalker, where's my motherfucking father? Oh, Vader, what you running on? No, he's never leaving. I'ma have him like your girl last night. Heavy breathing, I'ma get it like that. Show you I will. I'ma backwards go flow with that's Yoda with skill.
I'm a star, you see the ice, you see the cars, flash your lights, everywhere we are, late at night, like it's no tomorrow, I thought I told you, I'm a star, you see the ice, you see the cars, flash your lights, everywhere we are, late at night, like it's no tomorrow.
Feeling like yesterday, only just a dream. Like I was growing up right out on Tatooine. I'ma get it. Then I learned a little later how I was gonna save some lives with lightsabers. Now what this gift for? I'ma go and run up on them, take them down some Sith Lords. We gon' look at everything, looking at the mannequin. Yeah, I'ma say I'm a speed racer like Anakin. Yeah, I got that Jedi mind tricks. I'm a smooth talker, have your girl louder than Chewbacca. Like, hey, what you saying? Hair game crazy, like Princess Leia. Damn girl, you amaze me. Yeah, let me freaking knows. If you know I'm speaking those different languages, like your dude C-3PO. Man, I'm out of topics, got no more answers to say. Like Star Wars on Time Flies Tuesday.
I'm a star, you see the ice, you see the cars, flash your lights, everywhere we are, late at night, like it's no tomorrow, I thought I told you, I'm a star, you see the ice, you see the cars, flash your lights, everywhere we are, late at night, like it's no tomorrow.
Owe my life to these damn stormtroopers. Thank God they not very good shooters. I see them lasers going past me. With that aim, they ain't never gonna blast me. It's family, dog, the way it should be. Shout out to Chewbacca, did it all for the Wookiee. Qui-Gon, gin and tonic with a heavy pour. Look out right here, these are not the droids you're looking for.
I thought I told you, I'm a star.